I'm a little surprised that I haven't made a book nook before. But today I'm going to make one. It's going to be good. I'm going to love it. Hopefully you'll love it. Maybe you even just like it. I'm happy with that. So enjoy. I'm going for something that I would love to sit down and read a book in. Hi, I'm Tanya. I like to make hardy things in order to keep sane. Why don't you come join me? You might find a bit of sanity too. Let's go. So I guess the place to start is with some kind of box. I am using, I believe, an old box for a phone case. I'm going to trim off a bit of wood, a bit of stirring sticks and make a floor, and speed make a little chandelier. It's got a little bottle, some beads, some wire, twist it around, make it look funky, and pop one of those little candle lights in there. Now I'm going to make the roof. No, I made the roof. This is the floor. It's the same thing, different spot. Looks pretty cool though. This is cartoon clay or foam clay, and it's kind of sticky and weird, but geez, it's good to do this. You just slop it on there like I don't know what, and it's kind of sticky and funky, and you can just stick stuff to it. It's awesome. These are going to be little shelves in my magical little book nook. This is acrylic ink, which is just really watered down acrylic paint. Very handy to do this kind of thing. Acts as a wash. You can water it down a bit more if you want. Bit of flocking for some moss on the walls, because it's like a magical little cave that I'm going for. And this awesome packet of moss that I got. It's got all different kinds for the plants and things growing out of ferns, whatnot, growing out of the walls. And some rocks for like little rock wall part. Just push it in there. Like so. And I've got a bit of wall made out of rock. It's pretty cute, very natural. I don't plan on covering all the black up, but a lot of it. I'm going for relaxing, or what I consider to be relaxing. Just going to keep popping it on there and sticking it to the wettish clay. Very therapeutic and relaxing. Doing gardens and plants and stuff, I find. These extra rocks kind of help prop up my little shelves too. Practical and pretty. Bit of super glue on the hole that I put up there. That's going to hold the light together. There's my battery light. Throw that sucker in there. Lavishly put some more super glue on the shade, my little chandelier, and pop that on as well. And make my rock wall look a bit more rocky with a bit more acrylic ink. It's all coming together now, peeps. Look at that. That's my little lamp. It's all happening. These are very handy, these stamps, just to define and discolor and give extra detail on different things. A little mirror that I'd made out of resin and some chrome paint. I'll pop that in there. It's a bit Narnia-ish. Narnia-ish. Got a bit of a sticker here that I'm going to put over this little frame that I got off Temu, I believe, like so. Pretty cute, bit magical. And this is some UV resin. I'll pop a little tiny bit of that over the frames there and cure it with a bit of UV light. So I've got some more cool things to put on my little shelves. Some books, some scrolls that I've made previously. I rummaged through and found some charms and things that I thought could go on the shelves. And there's a bottle, a cat up the top there. These cute little candles, which I will do a video on one day to show you how I made them. Not today. Today is the book nook. My wine. A little bit of alcohol ink I put in there and some UV resin. Give it a cure. The glass I'd bought, I didn't make that. And I want to give some more detail to a book. So this is a stamp with some writing on it. Stamp it up. A few pages. Curl it around so it looks like it's been thumbed through a lot and used. And that can sit on my pretty little chair, which I have made in a previous video. You can go check it out. Everything's fairly in place, I think. Now to cover the top and make it look a bit fancy. Going for like a trapdoor kind of hideaway kind of deal. Like you come across it out in the forest and discovered that it's Tanya's chill out spot. And I can still switch it on. More of these cool little ink pads that are seriously the most useful things. Get some. You don't have to get some, but I suggest you get some. They're good. And real little detail there. FYI, it is nighttime at this stage when I'm making this. That's why there's a glass of wine in the back there. Not too bad. Now, as north of the border says, onto the glamour shots. Enjoy!